It's baby. Alakai! Alakai!
Yes.
You're Alakai? Come here! There's your meter. Okay, let's look for Darwin's paycheck. Darwin, I'm scared you didn't get one this time. Okay. There.
Thank you. It's so nice.
Me too, Mom.
You don't get a check. Remember, you already get paid $1.
$1? I already gave you $20.
She gave her $20. I
Yes.
gave you $1. You already paid off. Say thank you, Darwin, later.
Take it down later.
Next time, should I give you $20
Yeah.
without her knowing?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you
George
later.
here? George here?
He's right in the kitchen. Here, what's next? How about Charlie? Can you give this Charlie?
Yeah.
Oops. Don't drop your baby. Give me that. Give me your baby so you can give your paycheck to the staff.
Daddy! Daddy!
Next one is Kuya. Alkai, come here. You're gonna give Skuyas?
Yeah.
Okay, come back here.
Daddy, you can get one.
Okay. Listen. This is for Mindy. And this is for Skuya.
Yeah.
Okay, which one is Skuya's? Which one is Mindy's? Okay, don't exchange it. You know that. That's bad.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't want them to know the rates. Which one is Skuya's? Which one is Mindy's? Okay, go get the checks to them. Thank you. Who's Skuya? Did you give the right check?
Yeah.
Okay, what's next? Mindy, give one for Mindy. Come here. Okay, who's next? Zach. Zach is in the kitchen. You want to give Zach's? Come here. Okay, go find Zach's check. Okay, that's Tucker. Ransom. Who's in the kitchen? Is Ransom in the kitchen? Huh?
Yes.
Did you see him in the kitchen? Yes or no?
Yes.
You sure? Okay, give Zach's first. Careful.
Yeah. I'll do faster.
Oh, thank you.
Yep, she's right. Ransom is here. Okay. You're telling the truth. Come here. Let's go there. Let's get Ransom's then. Who's next?
Once.
Ransom's. Okay. I don't know where Ransom's is. Where's Ransom? Tell Ransom. Ransom, you don't have a check.
Thank you, Al guy.
Mom,